How to download Naruto Shippuden in English. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch or download the Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed. Now, it's available on various official websites. I'll just name a few. The first thing is you can watch the Naruto in English subtitle or English dubbed version on Netflix. You can simply download the Netflix, sign up for Netflix account, or if you already have one, you can simply head into Netflix and Naruto Shippuden is available there. So you can simply go ahead and watch it there on Netflix. The other is the Crunchyroll. It's the official website. You can simply head into crunchyroll.com in your website, your browser, or you can download the application from Play Store or App Store as well. You can simply type in Crunchyroll and you can sign up for free and you can watch there in the subbed or dubbed as well. So you can download it as well from Netflix or through the Crunchyroll as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.